on my way to the mall to get my camera. I was supposed to get it yesterday. I had a whole video footage of me trying to get it yesterday. I was really sick and plans got changed. So here I am again, round 2. I really want this camera. I have a final to study for, but I really want this camera. And I really need some other things from the mall, so I'm trying to get those things out of the way and then come back home and then study, and also have something to be excited about, which is my camera. So yes. I don't know how this is possible, but this camera angle is making me look really nice. I'm trying to think of which route I want to take to get to the mall. All right, let's see how long this lasts for. What is this person doing? I can't believe I never put my camera here before. My camera equals my phone right now. I can't believe I never put my phone here before and we started recording. Like, what? This is crazy. I love this. I love this. Oh, bad things are happening. Oh, the camera. Wow. I guess it's too bumpy. Oh no. Oh God. Oh, that was dangerous. That was really, really dangerous. All right, so see you guys at the mall. Yo, this is the most bootlegged camera display ever. So bootleg. So bootlegged. I can't see anything. First of all, I want to say that I'm very disappointed. This was a fail. I was supposed to get my camera. I was supposed to be, well, probably not unboxing it here, but at home. But I was supposed to be showing you the camera, but they don't have it. They don't have the box. They don't have what I wanted, so. Remember when I said I'm really sad and I couldn't get the camera? I got the camera. But I also have a headache, so I don't feel good. But I'm really excited about this camera, so I'm still gonna open it. Yeah. Okay, so what happened was when I went there, I wanted the video creator kit, and when I went to Best Buy, they don't sell it in the store. You have to order it, and then they send it to the store for you to pick up, and I would have to wait until Friday, and today's Sunday, and I couldn't even wait a day. 5 days. So I came back home and I did some research and I found out that the mic that was in the video creator kit wasn't necessarily the best mic, and it was kind of big and chunky. So I got a different kind of mic, and then I went ahead and got an SD card. So basically I got all the components that were in the video creator kit, but I just customized it myself, and I paid about $50 more for that. But I think it's better to have gotten what I'm gonna use instead of getting a mic and an SD card that I may not have used for that long. Basically, I just upgraded a little bit already. So in the video creator kit, it's supposed to come with a 32 gigabyte SD card, and I got 128 gigabyte SD card. So that's better than what I would have gotten. And then I got the video micro mic with the little puffy ball thing on it. Oh, look at that. Wait, oh, it's in there. I was like, where's the mic? And last but not least, here we go. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna take it out the box. Yo, this is my first camera. So there's a manual that I saw people unboxing. I gotta read that, but when I feel good, I'm too sick for that. Too sick to be reading. This is the camera. Oh my god. I thought that was, I didn't know it came with this. Oh, Oh, this is the lens. So this is the body of the camera. I thought this was this. This is the battery pack. Definitely a size difference, but it just felt so light. Like the way I took it out, I was like, I am magical. Ah! Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at it. I literally didn't know how to open that camera. I just kind of like tried. Okay. Ah, this is it. Wait. Whoa. Did I do that right? Oh, that's the lens part. And this is the part that goes into this. I'm literally just like, okay, this has these and this has this. So this should go in there. It clicked. Okay. I've been trying to take this thing out. There we go. Oh, beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. Wow, I'm in love with you. Okay, here we go. On. Oh, it wants me to set the date and time and stuff like that. Wait a minute. Okay. Be right back. It is so cute. Honestly, it's really cute. It's really cute. I just need to get used to it and learn about exposures and settings and things like that. I'm actually gonna watch a video about that now. The camera said that the battery is no bueno. Oh, maybe this button is to release the lens. Let's see if I'm right. I'm a genius. That's basically it. I made a mess. There's boxes and things all over the place, so I need to clean up, get it together, and also learn a lot about this camera so I can use it, and I'm excited. That was really embarrassing. I'm obviously really excited, so excited that I'm doing crazy things. So it's about that time.